Hi, I'm Amanda from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen, and in the summertime I love making rotisserie chicken on my grill. But now with the rotisserie attachment for the Philips smokeless grill, I can make it year-round in the comfort of my own kitchen. Let me show you how it works. I'm just going to remove one of the grates from the Philips smokeless grill, and the rotisserie attachment comes with this foldable frame, so it's really easy to store. I'm just going to unfold it, pop it into place here, and then this is the motor for the rotisserie, and then here's the rotisserie attachment. You're going to end up landing it right through here, and when you put it through, you're going to hear a click, and you know it's in place. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rotisserie chicken with piri-piri marinade, and it is really delicious because it's got orange juice, lemon juice, hot sauce, a ton of herbs. So it's great as a marinade, but it's really good as a sauce on its own as well. Now that I've trussed my chicken, I'm gonna put it in the marinade, and then I'm going to let it sit in the marinade anywhere up to 12 hours. Cover this and put it straight in the fridge. My chicken's been marinating in the piri-piri sauce for about 2 hours, so let's put it on the spit and get it cooking. Now both sets of these prongs are adjustable depending on what type of meat you're cooking. So the first thing I wanna do is run this through the center of my chicken. Now, a great tip is that you don't want these prongs to line up with these prongs. Chicken will be more stable if they're not at the same angle. Okay, good. All right, now tighten this. And let's get it back on the rotisserie. I just want to slide this through. And again, you'll hear that click sound and you'll know that it's in there. So it's got two power sources. The rotisserie I'm going to turn on right here, and then I'll turn the Philips smokeless grill on. And you'll see right away that the infrared technology kicks in. So this is going to take just about an hour. I'm going to check its temperature then. While it's roasting, I'll make my salad. Well, it's been about an hour and the chicken smells amazing. So let's take a temp on it and see if it's ready. I'm looking for about 165, 170. It's there, perfect. I'm gonna take the entire spit off the rotisserie and put the chicken on the platter to rest for about 10 minutes before I carve it. My chicken is rested and the spit is cool enough to handle, so let's get it off and carve this chicken. The chicken is so juicy. It looks delicious and it comes right off when I carve it. Cannot wait to try this. For these recipes and more about the Philips smokeless grill rotisserie attachment, visit us online at williamssonoma.com.